Hi everyone, this is Seps Sangtam and I just want to say thank you to all of you for your constant support to my channel. And I just wanted to say thank you very much to Sister Jalungla Sangtam for the special appearance in my recent wedding song. May God bless you, sister. Thank you so much once again. And also thank you so much to Sister Lamli Chinglara for providing me her salon and sharing her love and kindness towards me. Thank you very much to Sister Lamli and her family also. And I just want to say thank you to Brother Dungicham for sponsor this wedding song. May God bless you, brother, and your future interview too. And I would like to also thank you to Api Anar for the incredible shoot and always help me out with no cost. May God bless you, brother, and your family as well. And I would like to also thank to Brother Arili Sangtam ODS who has translated my song Sangtam into English, and I would like to say that he is the one who always translate my lyrics Sangtam into English. May God bless you, brother, and your future interviewer as well. And I would like to say thank you to the Morang Express for advertising my wedding gospel song. So thank you very much to the Morang Express. And lastly, but not the least, thank you very much all for your support and love and always love to listen to my songs. May God bless you all. Until then, stay tuned everybody and shalom be with you all until we meet again. Thank you very much.